The 15th BRICS Summit will be held in Johannesburg, South Africa from August 22nd to 24th. An Ethiopian expert said BRICS has become an alternative for institutions dominated by the West.
BRICS represent special developing countries. As we all know, the present globalization issue is full of injustice and dominated by especially Western countries, and especially by the IMF, World Bank, and other Western institutions. And they are being used as twisting arms of other countries through financial support and also other supporters. BRICS has become an alternative for this.
According to the expert, many African countries has shown interest in joining the BRICS.
Participating of the conference in this BRICS is important for other African countries to know more about BRICS, and also many of them may also apply, like Ethiopia, to join this organization.